This 2017 Highland Ridge Open Range LITE 216 RBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Highland Ridge is 26 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 4, air conditioning, TV, refrigerator, skylight, leveling jacks, oven, water heater, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, awning, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Highland Ridge Open Range LITE 216 RBS is 6,035 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.